Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. I crafted all day yesterday. It was World Card Making Day, so I wanted to craft, and I did all these treat boxes here, and it was so much fun. So this is my candy punch board treat box tutorial that I have done, I don't know how many years ago, but I revisited that project and made these. So I'm going to link the tutorial. I'll have it right here on the screen for you. I'll have it in the description box and at the end of the video. Check out the tutorial. It is a very good tutorial, I must say. I followed my own tutorial to make these again. And it's very clear and very easy to follow. So check it out. I'm going to share these for World Card Making Day. I have a sale going on, so use coupon code CARDMAKING for 15% off your order, and it's valid through the 9th. At 11:59 p.m. Central Time, it will expire. So take advantage of that. It's good for the entire website. So all releases, all new releases, everything. So good until the 9th. And right now my free with 60 is this little Angels stamp set by My Favorite Things. So fill up your cart to $66. You'll see it pop into your cart. And then for $110, this will pop into your cart, the coordinating die, and then you can add your discount. So the candy box punch board looks like this. It's a nice little small board, and it actually makes these little treat holders that both sides have this on it, but I modified it and made a little box so it stands up. So that's what I love about this project. And you can fit so many candies in here, or gifts, or whatever you want to put in here, and you can make them as tall as you wanted or smaller than you want. And if you check out my other tutorial video, you'll see other ways how I decorated these. So I'm going to also have this in my Amazon store. So if you open up the description box and scroll all the way down, you'll see my affiliate link that says Amazon store. And then when you go to my Amazon store, click on tools. I'll have this in there if you are looking to purchase this. And I really do appreciate you using my affiliate link. That helps support this channel, and I earn a small commission, and it's at no cost to you. So thank you so much for using my links. So let's share these. So what I did was I took the Doodlebug odds and ends and chit chats to decorate most of these. And so it's like a wraparound story. So this one, you know, I used a little boo, and a lot of the chit chat has little speech bubbles. How sweet it is, and I got the little caramel apple, and then I wrapped around this tree, added some glitter there. There's a little sticker, little donut, and then you add a little bow to the top, and it looks really cute. Also in the tutorial, I show you how to wrap around the little ground, so you have your ground for your characters to stand on. So this chit chat and odds and ends I used was from the older Doodlebug Halloween release. So it is this one here, and I still have this in the shop, so I'll have this linked below. It's called Pumpkin Party. So we got little characters, and then little sayings that you can add to that. Also, they have the new release, which is going to be really, really cute as well, that you can use. So they got the Candy Carnival collection, so that's also in the shop. That's another fun one. Also, don't forget you can use your Doodlebug stickers or your stamps. So just decorate it however you wish. And then here is this cute little girl. I love that one. I put fun, the little party lights, and the little lantern hanging around, a little pumpkin in the back, and then got candy. So it's like, see how it's like a wraparound story? Then I have this little tag hanging from the little twine there. then I experimented with different ribbons. This is Best Night Ever. Yum. There's some candy, a little spider. October 31st. And then Happy Halloween for the little frog. So here's one with the stickers. Trick or Treat I put. This cute little Frankenstein. And then just decorated with all kinds of Doodlebug stickers. And then there's cute little lantern. And then this one was with the Doodlebug sprinkles. They're glossy enamel shapes. And then I had these in my stash, these little ghosts. And then I had these little spiders in my stash as well. And here's the front, and I put a little spider there. Too cute to spook. And then this one here is my favorite one. This is using the new Not Too Shabby release Happy Halloween stamp set. And what I did was I took a piece of, like a Copic coloring paper or like Bristol Smooth or something like that. And before I cut this out, I did my ink blending and I created the little moon with the mask. And then I went ahead and punched the stuff out and scored it. And then that created a beautiful background. So there's a little witch. I splattered some white gouache for little stars. I used the little speech bubble from the Chit Chat, wishing you a happy Halloween. There's the cute little candy corn witch. And then the little witch here, I put happy haunting. And then this one I put eek. Some little enamel dots there. The witch that fell into the cauldron. So just really fun. So I had a lot of fun making these. I hope you guys give this project a try. I think it's a really, really fun project. Oops, I got some tape stuck to there. It's a really fun project to do. And then you have a nice little treat box to give away when someone comes over. For Halloween, we don't have any trick-or-treaters whatsoever. So I'm going to just use these to give away to like friends or family that come over. And then that'll be my trick-or-treat Halloween treats. So thank you guys for stopping by and check out the tutorial. I know you're going to love it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.